Are you a student in 3rd, 4th, or 5th grade that uses technology in the classroom? Or do you want to? If you answered yes to either question, you're in luck because I'm going to tell you some safety tips about using technology at school. Did you know at Cedar Lane, all 5th grade classes have their own set of iPads? That means every student has their own device in these homerooms. 3rd and 4th grade classes have to share and rotate their iPads throughout the grade. There is enough for each of these to have half of the classes covered at a time. To access our school's acceptable use policy, visit the site listed on the screen. Here, you will find goals, acceptable use, unacceptable use, user responsibilities and etiquette, due process, consequences, security, and the applicable Internet disclaimer. All of this information is also found in the Student Code of Conduct booklet given to each student at the beginning of the year. According to Master of Education Online, 97% of teachers have one or more computers in their classrooms. 93% of teachers have access to the Internet. The ratio of students to computers during this study was 5.3 to 1. That means about 5 students shared one device. Netiquette. Netiquette refers to the proper Internet etiquette or net etiquette. Some rules to help you stay on track are as follows. Expectations online are the same as they are face-to-face. You should treat others the way you want to be treated. Only visit the sites or apps you are instructed to do so. This is not the time to access whatever you'd like. Also, make sure you respect other people online to prevent any unnecessary cyberbullying or other problems. Finally, respect the privacy of others. Here are some safety tips. Make sure you keep your device locked if you don't want anyone to have access to your information. Make sure you are only making downloads from your device's app store to avoid any unwanted viruses or problems. Keep your device up to date to prevent losing any important data and to make sure everything stays secure. When using public Wi-Fi, do not log on to any personal sites because interference could occur and someone could possibly gain access to your personal information. Here are some consequences for the Internet misuse according to the Student Code of Conduct. Inappropriate use or vandalism will result in the limitation or cancellation of user privileges and, when necessary, appropriate legal action. If damage occurs due to willful user misconduct, the user may be permanently denied access to technology resources. The cost of repair or replacement for such willful damage will be billed to the user who caused said damage and/or the legal parent or guardian of that user. If you would like to access additional information for Internet safety, tips, or just educational resources, you can visit www.cedarlaneschool.org/apps/links. The following resources were used in the making of this public service announcement.